Hello students, welcome to our YouTube online channel. I am Heban sir, and today we are going to understand the next solved problem of our chapter called mensuration. Okay, so we are going to solve the third solved problem. Okay, and it is the very conceptual. Here we are understanding two different structure in a same question. Okay, so the question says a tent of a circus is such that its lower part is cylindrical and upper part is conical. The diameter of the base of the tent is 14 meter and height of the cylindrical part is 15 meter. Total height of the tent is 23 meter. Then find the area of canvas required to make the tent and also find of air in the tent, that means the volume of the tent. Okay, so first we had to understand the given part of the question. Okay, so it is given that total height of the tent is 33 meter. It is 33 meter, from which the height of the cylindrical part of the tent, this part of the tent is of height 15 meter. Okay, that means the height of the conical part will be 33 minus 15. So here we have solved 33 minus 15, that means 18 meter will be the height of the cylindrical part of the tent. Okay, now the radius of the base. So what is the radius of the base? It is given that the diameter of the base is 48. That means half of 48 means the radius. Okay, so the radius of the base is r, which is equals to diameter and which is 48 divided by 2, that means 24 meter. Okay, then what we have to find? We have to find total surface area of the canvas. That means we have to find this part and this part, which is the total surface area of the tent, which is equals to the curved surface area of cylindrical part plus curved surface area of the conical part of the tent. Then we have to find the air present inside the tent, which is nothing but the volume. That means the total volume of the tent is equals to the volume of cylindrical part of the tent and volume of the conical part of the tent. Okay, now we have a formula that we have to use. We have to use curved surface area of the cylindrical part, which is pi r h. Then it is 2 pi r h, and curved surface area of the cone is pi r l. So here L is nothing but the slant height. That means we have to identify the slant height first. Okay, then we have formula for volume of the cylinder, which is pi r square h, and the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, so first we have to calculate the slant height for the conical part of the tent. So I am calculating slant height here. Okay, so the formula of slant height is L equals to root h square plus r square. Okay, it is nothing but the part of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, this part is the form right angle triangle. Okay, so it is slant height, which is the hypotenuse. Okay, the square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of square of other two sides. Okay, so for removing square, we are getting both the sides square root, so we will get L equals to h square plus r square. So L equals to, what is h? H is the height, and which is 18. So it will become 18 square plus r is 24. So it is square of 24. Okay. So once you will solve, the square of 18 is 324. So L equals to root 324 plus the square of 24 is 576. It is 576. So L equals to, when you will add 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 का 0 carry करेगा 1, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 2 is again 10. 10 का 0 कैरी करेगा 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So it is root 900. And root 900 is 30. Therefore L equals to 30 meter. So we have the slant height also. Okay. Now we are going to solve the part of our question. So first we have to identify the total surface area or total area of the canvas. So it is nothing but the total canvas required. Total canvas required equals to, it is the curved surface area of the cylindrical part. Curve, or directly we are writing the formula. Okay, so what is curved surface area of the cylinder? It is 2 pi RH. It is 2 pi RH. So it is H. Cylindrical part, na? It is H, capital H, and it is small h. Plus curved surface area of the conical part of the tank. Okay, and its formula is pi RL. Pi RL. So therefore we have to put the values. It is 2 into pi is 22 divided by 7 into R is, see, R, both the R are similar. This is R and this R is also similar. So see, we have pi R and here pi R is common. So we have to take pi into R common. So what will remain inside? It is 2 into H plus L. So pi is 22 divided by 7 into R. R is 24. So it is 24 into 2 plus H. 2H. What is H? Capital H. Capital H is 15. So 15 plus L. L is slant height and slant height is 30. So it is 30. It is into. So 22 divided by 7 into 24. So when we will solve, 15 2s are 30. 30 plus 30 is 60. Okay, so here we have to give the equal sign. Okay, now once you will solve, so we have to solve this in here. It is 22 divided by 7. Once you will solve, you will get 4 5 2 5. You will get 4 5 2 5.71, and it is the total area. So it is meter square. Okay, so therefore we have our first answer. Okay, it is 4525.71 square meter of canvas will be required for the tent. Okay, now we have to calculate the total volume of the tent. So the volume of tent will be volume of cylinder. Total volume of tent equals to volume of cylinder, and which is pi r square h. Is pi r square h plus volume of the cone, it is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, so here we have again pi r square. Pi square is common, so we have to take pi r square common. So what will remain here? It will remain here h plus 1 by 3 of h. Okay, now we have to put the value. So what is pi? Pi is 22 divided by 7 into r. R is 24 and it will be square of 24. Okay, h, capital H is 15. So So here we have to write 15 plus 1 by 3 into h. H is of 18. H is 18. So 22 divided by 7 into square of 24 we have taken here. The square of 24 is 576. So it is 576 into 15 plus, see 3 1 is 3, 3 6 are 18. So 15 plus 6 is, or we have to write first, then we will solve. So 22 divided by 7 into, it is 576. 576 into 15 plus 6 is 21. Okay, so once you will solve this, you will get 38016 and the unit of volume is cube. So meter cube, cubic meter. Okay, so this is the second answer. Okay, so we have both the answer, that means we have to write the result now. So what will be result? The result will be, the total canvas required, to make tent is, how much it is? 4,525.71 square meter, and air present inside the tent will be 38016 square cubic meter. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, so students, this is the way we have to solve the questions. These questions are really very time consuming, so do keep practicing at home so that you will solve this question as soon as possible. Okay, in less time. Okay, so write down first. So students, today we are completing our today's session here only. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय फॉर नाउ.